Hello student, let's see all the region based question of class 12th chemistry. The question is first one, why, when and why is molality preferred over molarity in the handling solution in chemistry? This is the question. Molality is preferred in studies that involve change in temperature, as in some of the colligative properties of solution. This is because molality depends on mass of solvent, which do not change the temperature. That is why what is your preferred student? Molality. The second question, you see, the dissociation of ammonium chloride in water is an endothermic process, but still it dissolves in water readily. So why it is dissolving? Because this is because the entropy change in this case DS positive NH4Cl, it is giving the NH4 plus and Cl minus ion. The ion that were held together in crystalline solid are free and move in all positive directions. The entropy increases and this makes the solubility increase. Similarly, question number 3, you can see student here. Why does a solution of ethanol and cyclohexane so positive deviation from the Raoult's law? So see, on adding cyclohexane to ethanol, its molecule get in between the molecule of ethanol, thus breaking the hydrogen bond and reducing the interaction between ethanol molecule. This will increase the vapor pressure of the solution and result in positive deviation of the Raoult's law. So it means if you add these two, so vapor pressure is going to increase and that is going to show the positive deviation. Now question number 4. Why vapor pressure of solution of glucose in water lower than the that of the pure water? This is due to decrease in escaping tendency of the water molecule from the surface of the solution as of the surface area is occupied non-volatile solute, that is glucose. So on adding the glucose, the surface is also occupied by the glucose molecule along with the water molecule. That is why the vapor pressure decreases. Why does pressure cooker reduce the cooking time? Reason is what? Pressure cooker build up the pressure, and you know pressure proportional to temperature, so hence develop heat faster and maintain the temperature. And if the temperature also increases, it means the cooking time will be decreased. Next one, cutting onion taken from the fridge is more comfortable than cutting onion lying at the room temperature. This is because the lower temperature in the fridge temperature is lower, so vapor pressure is lower. It means chemical will not reach out to your eyes and tears will not come out. So it is comfortable because of the lower vapor pressure. Why is liquid ammonia bottle first cool in ice before opening it? So because cooling it, because to lower the pressure, student, vapor pressure, to lower the vapor pressure. Otherwise if you are not cooling, then this ammonia will come on you come out on your face. Question number 8. Addition of one liquid to another causes decrease in the vapor pressure. Why? Addition of liquid decreases surface area of the previous liquid, which decreases the number of molecule of vapor pressure as well as vapor pressure of the liquid. So only pure liquid is there, student. So all the liquid molecule are on the surface, but when you are adding some more things, so the 50% the surface is occupied by both liquid, so obviously the vapor pressure of the pure liquid is going to be decreased. Now the question number 9. Why are aquatic species more comfortable in cold water in comparison to warm water? So the reason is what, student? The in cold water solubility of oxygen is increases. If the temperature is less, so solubility of gas is more, so aquatic species will be comfortable, student. Why osmotic pressure of 1 molar KCl higher than 1 molar urea? Because KCl is the ionic solid. It's ionized to give more number of ion, and osmotic pressure will increase in case of KCl. But urea is the not going to ionize. Here you see, solution A is prepared by dissolving 2 mole of glucose in 1 liter of water, and solution of B is prepared by dissolving 1 mole of sodium chloride in 1 liter of water. Will the osmotic pressure of solution A be higher or lower or equal to that of B? Give reason. No. The osmotic pressure of two solution A and B will be equal. How? Osmotic pressure is colligative property, hence it depends upon number of the particle of solute in the solution and not upon the nature of particle. Glucose is non-electrolyte solute, therefore on dissolving 2 mole of glucose in 1 liter of water it will not dissociate. However, sodium chloride will dissociate into the sodium ion, and chloride ion is the strong electrolyte. So this become the, again it is going to be 2 mole. Due to dissociation 1 mole NaCl will form the 2 mole particle, and glucose there is 2 mole, hence glucose in 1 liter NaCl, due to dissociation there will be 2 moles in 1 liter, therefore the osmotic pressure will be same. So number of mole is going to be same, so osmotic pressure is going to be same, student. Next one, 0.1 molar urea solution show less depression in freezing point than 0.1 molar MgCl2 because of the want of factor, number of ions is increasing, student. So what is freezing point will also, depression in freezing point will be more, student. So MgCl2 depression in freezing point will be more. Why does sodium chloride solution freezes at lower temperature than the water? Because depression. On the other hand, urea remain on the reason is what, student? This is MgCl2 is having, or the NaCl is having more ion, so it is going to freeze. Vapor pressure is decreasing, so it is going to freeze early at lower temperature. Question number 14, student. The molecular weight of sodium chloride and glucose are determined by depression in freezing point method compared to their theoretical molecular weight. What will be their observed molecular weight when determined by the above method? Justify. So they are either the associating or the dissociating, student. Sodium chloride is going to dissociate. So this is going to be determined by the colligative property. So see the reason, sodium chloride is strong electrolyte, therefore dissociate in solution to give twice the actual number of particles. Therefore molecular weight determined by the colligative properties will be half of the actual weight. The molecular weight of non-electrolyte glucose will be same as the theoretical molecular weight. Question number 15. Water boil above 100 degrees C by addition of NaCl. Why? Water boil above 100 degrees C by addition of NaCl because salt is non-volatile solute, and addition of salt increases the boiling point of water, which is responsible for boiling point elevation. Thank you, students.